Hi students, in the previous chapter you have read that our planet Earth is not a sphere. It is slightly flattened at the north and the south poles and bulged in the middle. Can you imagine how it looks? For this purpose we use the globe. What is a globe? Globe is a true model or miniature form of the Earth. We shall discuss in this chapter 2 globe, latitudes and longitudes. Students, we shall discuss these topics today. Location of a place on the globe, important parallels of latitudes, heat zones of the earth. Globe, the model of the earth. Globes may be of varying size and type. Big ones which cannot be carried easily. Small pocket globes and globe-like balloons which can be inflated and are handy and carried with ease. The globe is not fixed. It can be rotated the same way as a top spin or a potter's wheel is rotated. On the globe, countries, continents and oceans are shown in their correct size. Do you know the students what is the difference between globe and earth? A globe is a model of the earth. Earth is a planet. That is the difference. Globe is a true model of the earth. On the globe, countries, continents and oceans are shown in their correct size. A needle is fixed through the globe in a tilted manner, which is called an axis. 2 points on the globe through which the needle passes are 2 poles. Those are North Pole and South Pole. The globe can be moved around this needle from west to east just as the earth moves. But the real earth has no such a needle. It moves around its axis, which is an imaginary line. Equator. Another imaginary line running on the globe divides it into two equal parts. This line is known as the equator. The northern half of the earth is known as the northern hemisphere and the southern half is known as the southern hemisphere. Important parallels of latitudes. All parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitudes. There are 4 important parallels of latitudes. Those are Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. Heat zones of the earth. There are 3 heat zones. Those are temperate zones, torrid zones and frigid zones. About these heat zones we will learn in detail. Students, let us learn about the heat zones of the earth. The 3 heat zones of the earth are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Torrid zone. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes in between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This area therefore receives the maximum heat and is called the torrid zone. Next one is called temperate zone. The area or region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle or between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle is called temperate zone. Next one is called frigid zones. Areas lying between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere are very cold. It is because here the sun does not rise much above the horizon. Therefore, its rays are always slanting and provide less heat. These are therefore called frigid zones. Frigid zones are very cold. Give reasons. Why is it very cold in the frigid zones? The sun's rays are always slanting and provide less heat because the sun does not rise above the horizon. Therefore, it is very cold in the frigid zones. Why do the temperate zones have moderate temperatures? This is because the midday sun never shines directly on any line of latitude beyond the tropics and the angle of the sun's rays decreases towards the poles. Recapitulation of the lesson. The earth is spherical in shape. The globe is a model of the earth. On the globe, countries, continents, and oceans are shown in their correct size. The earth rotates on its axis from west to east once in every 24 hours. An axis is an imaginary line around which the earth rotates. We can locate a place on the earth with the help of reference and lines. Another imaginary line running on the globe divides it into two equal parts. This line is known as the equator. The equator divides the earth into two equal halves. The area lying north of the equator is called the northern hemisphere, and the area lying south of it is called the southern hemisphere. All parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitudes. There are four important parallels of latitudes. The first one is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, then Antarctic Circle. Heat zones are different temperature zones of the earth. The three heat zones of the earth are torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone.